Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you easy way to check crash log in Windows 11 if your PC freezes, crashes or restart automatically. So let's get started. Firstly, click on Start menu and type for Event Viewer. Tap to open it. On the left side, click on Windows Logs. Then click on System. Here you will see System Crash and Error Logs. It will loading. Now find crash errors. Look for logs marked error or critical. Then if you found the error, then click on to see details. Click on log to see the details. Now press Windows plus R. Here you will type for command prompt. Press enter. Now here you will type perform/rel. Then press enter. It will directly going to reliability monitor. Here you will view reliability history. This tool shows app crashes, window error, fail update, system problems. Click any red icon to see crash details. That's it. This is the easiest way to check crash logs in Windows 11. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.